she likes to be in her bed when she's sleepy. There's no place she'd rather be than tucked up safe in bed.